My dear friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Gauru Bharat Kumar, working as assistant professor in the department of CSE. In today's session, I will explain about Minimax searching algorithm in the artificial intelligence. Actually, this is one type of searching algorithm in the artificial intelligence. In the Minimax searching algorithm, two players are participated. One is minimum, another player as considered as the maximum. Here player 1 is considered as the minimum and player 2 is the considered as the maximum. Any games, suppose only two players are participated, then we will consider those type of games are as the min-max searching algorithm, like chess game, tic-tac-toe game, checkers game. In those type of games only two players are participated. Definitely here both the players are fight for the winning. Okay, so that's why here both players of the game are opponent of each other, where max will select maximized value and min will select the minimized value. Here our aim is to discuss about the minimax searching algorithm. According to the algorithm, we will consider minimum value. The minimum value, initially we will consider the infinity. The maximum value, initially we will consider as the minus infinity. Minimum value we will consider as the infinity. Maximum value we will consider as the minus infinity. Now we will start the minimax searching algorithm. Here we have four levels: level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, so the bottom level 3 is there. This is the depth 0. Okay, so depth 1, depth 2, depth 3, like that. Here the bottom indicates the terminal nodes. Okay, in minimax searching algorithm we will consider the bottom nodes as the terminal nodes. Here we will consider, like we will assume that the value of terminal values of terminal nodes are -3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 6. Okay, so these are the assumption values only. Now our aim is we will apply the backtracking from the child nodes to the root node. This is the parent node. Okay, now we will apply the minimax searching algorithm with the help of backtracking. Okay, we will move from bottom level to this level. Next we will move from this level to this level. Finally we will reach to this level. Here our aim is to apply the minimax searching algorithm. So that's why we will consider each level as either minimum or maximum. Okay, suppose we will consider this level as maximum level, then automatically this level as minimum level. Okay, alternatively we will consider now this level is maximum level. Suppose you will consider this level as minimum level, then please consider this as the maximum, this as the minimum. Okay, as your wish. Based on our assumptions, here we will find out the solution. Now we will apply the backtracking. Now we will start from these nodes. Okay, actually these are the depth level. Okay, these are the terminal nodes. Okay, here default terminal values are available. Okay, please observe that. So now we will move from this level to this level. Okay, so now our aim is to find out this value. Okay, this node value. So our aim is to find out this value. So here we are applied the maximum. Okay, so that's why now we will find out the value of this particular node. So actually this level is related to the maximum. That's why we will find out with the help of max of, what are the terminal values here? -3, 2, 1. Which is the maximum value? Either -3 or 2 or 1. Definitely 2. Okay, that means the value of this node is 2, because here we are apply the maximum. Okay, maximum minus 3 comma 2 comma 1, here 2 is the maximum value, that's why the value of this particular node is 2. Okay, now we will find out this particular node. Here the child nodes are 1 comma 3. Actually, sorry, here one mistake is there. We will consider the maximum value initially minus infinity, that's why please observe that minus 3 maximum of minus 3 comma 2 comma 1 comma minus infinity, the value is not changed. Definitely we will consider the minus infinity value also, because initially we will consider the maximum value as minus infinity, that's why here I will consider this value also. Okay, no problem. Now our aim is to find out this particular node value. What are the child nodes here? 1 comma 3 and minus infinity is also available, so that's why max of 1 comma 3 comma minus infinity, which is the maximum value 3. So the value of this particular node is 3. Okay, the value of this particular node is 3. Now we will move to the this node. Okay, here what are the child nodes? 4 comma 5. Okay, so max of 4 comma 5 comma minus infinity, which is the maximum value 5, that's why the value of this node is 5. Now we will find out the value of this particular node. So max of 2 comma 5 comma 6 comma minus infinity, so 6 is the maximum, that's why the value of this particular node is 6. Okay, now the level 2 is completed. Now our aim is to find out the values of level 1. Okay, for this node and this node. Okay, so first we will find out the value of this particular node. Here we will consider the minimum value. Please observe that minimum value. Okay, so now what are the child nodes of this particular node? Please observe that min of, because the level 1 is related to minimum value, min of 2 comma 3 comma, initially the minimum value is considered as the infinity, so 2 comma 3 comma infinity is 2. Okay, that's why the value of this particular node is 2. Now our aim is to find out the value of this particular node. Here we will consider the minimum value. So min of 5 comma 6 comma infinity, so 5. So please observe that this is the 5. Okay, so level 1 is also completed. Now finally our aim is to find out the internal node value. Okay, internal node value, this is the starting node, or called as initial node also. Okay, actually here we are applied the backtracking, that's why we will move from the child nodes to the starting node. Here the internal node is related to the maximum. Okay, that's why here we will consider max of, what are the child nodes value? 2 and 5. Max of 2 comma 5, here may or may not be considered the minus infinity value. The answer is not changed, but according to the algorithm we will consider the minus infinity value also. It's okay, no problem. So the max of 2 comma 5 comma minus infinity, so 5. Okay, finally the internal node value is 5. Okay, this is the information about minimax searching algorithm. If you want more information about the minimax searching algorithm, please visit my next video. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you.